Which of the following is likely to occur following the depreciation of the United States dollar? So in this question, we're told that there's a depreciation of the United States dollar. We're asked to find which of the following answer choices will occur if this happens. So to answer this, first let's draw out the Forex market. So the Forex market is the following graph where on the x-axis is the quantity of dollars, and on the y-axis is the other currency, which will represent as C over dollar. Now there are two graphs or two sloping lines on this market, an upward sloping curve and a downward sloping curve. The upward sloping curve represents the supply of dollar, and the downward sloping curve represents the demand for dollar. And we're told there's a depreciation of the United States dollar, and if there's a depreciation, it could look like a shift to the right in supply. This is because the value of other currency over the dollar would decrease, or a shift in the left of demand because of the same reason, because the value of the other currency over the dollar would decrease. We could simply represent this as a shift to the right in supply, and it would look like the following: if supply of dollars 2. Now, option choice A says United States imports will increase. This is incorrect because if the dollar depreciates, that means that the value of the dollar compared to other currencies is lower, so the value of other currencies is higher. So if we're importing goods, that means that we'll have to buy goods from other countries, and because their currency is worth more, it'll take more money to buy goods from other countries. Because of this, imports will decrease because it's more expensive. So A can be eliminated. B, United States exports will increase. This seems to be the correct answer because the depreciation of the United States dollar means that the dollar compared to other currencies is lower. So because to foreign countries, their currency is worth more, so they can buy more dollars with their currency. Because of this, the value of US goods will decrease in terms of money, and then other currencies will buy more US goods, so US exports will increase. So overall, B seems to be the correct answer. C, demand for the United States dollar will decrease. This is incorrect because we just highlighted how the United States exports will increase. If the United States exports will increase, then the demand for United States dollar must increase because other countries must demand the US dollar to buy goods from the US. So the demand for the US dollar must increase, not decrease. D, United States demand for foreign currencies will increase. This is incorrect because we just highlighted how the depreciation of the US dollar means that the US dollar decreases in value and other currencies increase in value. Because of this, the foreign currency is worth more, and it takes more of US dollars to buy foreign currencies. Therefore, the demand for foreign currencies will decrease, not increase, because those currencies are more expensive. E, United States goods will become more expensive in foreign markets. This is incorrect because when we were analyzing option choice B, we highlighted how a depreciation of the US dollar means that US goods will become less expensive. So E is incorrect. Therefore, the correct answer is B.